Now look here, this is the payment I have received for 30 minutes of use of a Google tool. Now if you want similar outcomes and piles of cash, all you have to do is visit this website. Now what is this website? Do you want to find out? Then you should watch this video. Now outcomes are not typical. You can earn more or less than this amount. However, I can tell you one thing. If you do not follow the exact instructions outlined in this video, you will be unable to get these outcomes. Now, there are two easy steps that I'm going to show you so you can earn $255 using this method. The first step is using Google Translate, and the second step is go to the three websites that I'll be showing you in this video. There are only two steps, and they are super easy to do, so watch till the end to know more. I have to mention that this website that I'll be showing you is absolutely free. No initial payments are needed. It is available worldwide, meaning anyone from any part of the world can do this with ease. And most of all, you do not need any prior skills or experience. All you have to do is use your laptop and phone to start off. Now, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. This is Google Translate tool. This program is completely free. You will be able to use it on the three websites that I'm going to show you. And these three websites are sorted from the lowest paying to the most paying in order of their payout percentage. So make sure that you stick with me all the way through. The best part of this tool is when you press the microphone button right here, anything this tool picks up on will be typed out for you automatically. This is referred to as transcribing. You can even transcribe from English to Spanish or Spanish to English or with any other languages since there are thousands of languages to choose from on this tool. Some businesses will pay you to transcribe whatever you hear. You are not required to perform any of the transcription work. You are relying on the Google Translate tool to complete the task for you. Furthermore, it is entirely free. As a result, you will not be required to put up any work in order to earn the money. Now, I will introduce you to the first website that we will be using, which is the lowest paying website. Simply head over to GoTranscript.com. On this website, you will make 60 cents per audio minute or per video minute, with an average monthly earning of $150 on this website. However, the highest monthly earnings you will be able to accomplish is $1,215. Since you are using Google Translate, you will be able to maximize your earnings and you can do as many transcription jobs as possible. So the maximum monthly earning will be more achievable. Here in GoTranscript, you can do transcription jobs from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You get paid reliably, receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. You can work flexible hours, work as much or as little as you want. Whenever you want, you can choose your own projects that you want to work on. To start working as a transcriptionist, all you need to do is click the big Apply Now button right here and choose your desired language. You will then need to provide your email address and password. After that, just click the sign up button and you can now work on GoTranscript.com. The next website is even more impressive. GMRTranscription.com is the name of this website. Now this site is higher paying than the first one. And if you're having doubts on this website, you can browse through and you can see the face of the founder right here in his LinkedIn profile. Their primary goal here is to offer the highest customer satisfaction by offering accurate transcription and translation service and use the latest security protocols to ensure privacy. So you do not have to worry about anything. This website is super secure for both transcriptionists and customers. This website is used by well-known brands such as McDonald's, AT&T, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, and more. So working here is a great opportunity to work with these well-known brands. Now, I want you to click on the Careers tab on the upper section of the website. You will then be redirected to this page. We can see here that transcriptionists on this website earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Now, that's a lot of money. Combine it with what you will earn from GoTranscript, and each month you can earn at least $4,000 per month, and that is crazy. To apply here, all you have to do is scroll down to this part of the page and you will be presented with two options. First is apply as a general transcriptionist or Spanish transcriptionist translator, And the second is to be a certified translator. What we will be choosing is become a general transcriptionist or Spanish transcriptionist. You don't have to worry about transcribing the Spanish language. We have Google Translate for that. Now click on the apply button right here and fill out this application form. And once you do that, you can now work at GMR Transcriptions. It's as easy as that. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now for the last website, the highest paying one, we will go to Revcom. Revcom is another transcription website trusted by thousands of people and companies. Big brands such as Microsoft, Amazon, Dropbox, Spotify, and Forbes are some of Rev's customers for transcription and translation. In Rev, there are 3 services that you can do. First is transcription, which costs $1.25 per minute. Then captioning, which also costs $1.25 per minute. And lastly, putting foreign subtitles on videos, which costs $3 to $7 per minute, depending on what language is needed. Now you can see that this website pays a lot of money to their workers. To start, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for a white button that says Become a Freelancer. Once you have found it, click on it and it will redirect you to this page. This will be the 2 jobs available for you to apply. First is become a transcriptionist and the second is become a captioner. If you will be applying as a transcriptionist, you will be paid 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. And if you will be applying as a captioner, you will be paid 50 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. For this video, we will be applying as a transcriptionist. Just click on Learn More button right here and just follow the steps on how to apply, and once you've done that, you can start working right away. We have shown you 3 websites that you can use to transcribe and earn money. We have also shown you a Google tool that can help you finish transcription jobs fast and easy. Just use Google Translate in transcribing videos or audio files and you will be surprised at how much money you have earned at the end of the day. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.